Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, October 8th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got Chapter 2 our Chapter 2 review. Our Chapter 2 test is tomorrow. All right, in the accelerated math, we've got practice 4.4 for both classes, or sets of classes. Our extra credit 2 is due tomorrow as well. In science, in regular science, we've got lesson review. Page 425, numbers 1 through 10. Numbers 11 through 13 are for extra credit. The lesson review is found within your science book, and then you are answering the questions in a Google Doc. The accelerated class has an assignment called classifying elements. In social studies, the Citizen of My Home reflection, that is due by Friday. Just a reminder, tomorrow, Mr. Canfield's class will still be in the library. In language arts, there is no homework as we get ready for Free Write Friday tomorrow. In literature, tomorrow is the last day for the first quarter for AR. You've got 1 day left to meet your goal. Make sure you are reading, finishing books, and taking tests tomorrow. All right, your word search on theme is due for periods 1, 2, 5, and 6 tomorrow. You've had all week to do that. And third period, you have an assignment where your one-pager is due Friday. When we look at the accelerated lit class, your Seed Folks book needs to be finished by tomorrow, and your character summary set to be completed and submitted via Google Classroom by 3 p.m. Friday. In Careers in Life and FCS 6, there is no homework. That's it for this Thursday. Just wanted to give a shout out and a happy 32nd birthday to my little sister Amy. Goodbye.